All right, fellas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn one of these little shiny zinc bolts, kind of ugly on a old hit and miss or anything you're going to be putting it on. If it's going to be old, you don't want no shiny bolts on it or nothing. I'll show you how to do that. Turn it into that right there, a black bolt here, and you can tell it is a zinc bolt because I didn't dye the whole thing. Of course, it's going to be going inside wood, so you won't be seeing the whole thing. But you can do the whole bolt that way. But it's going to be very simple, very short. One of my friends actually showed me how to do it, and I thought I'd share it with the rest of the world. Got here is some used motor oil, port inside of a some kind of container. I picked a beer can. I know it won't melt, and I know it holds liquid. So what we're gonna do is just pick our screw up with our washer. You can do it however you want to, and then get you a MAP gas torch, propane torch, whatever. Or I think they even threw it in a fire and got them hot. And then what you do, you just get it hot, put it in oil, and then let it cool off. We'll show you. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this MAP gas torch up all the way, fire it up. And you want it to flow, or at least I want it to flow. Then just dunk it down inside the oil here. It'll catch on fire, but it'll go out.
Cool. Fire! 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 Fire!
Keep it in there until it starts stops bubbling down in there. Blow out our prime thing. Lay that down here. I'm gonna do another one. Down in there. Probably a good idea to do this outdoors. And that's all there is to it. And let's see, grab a rag. We'll clean one of them off. I did a few minutes ago before the video. Just wipe them off here. And then that blackness will stay on there. And just wipe it off with a rag. And you can see they're not shiny anymore. They're nice and black. Look at that mess. Oh, I tell you what. Thank you to whoever showed me this. You know who you are. I'm sure you're going to be watching this video, but there it is. You just take it, I'm gonna be putting it in the base of this Maytag. I didn't want no shiny chrome screws in it. I think some black ones will look better. Heck yeah, man. Yep, that's all there is to it. As a little precautionary statement, I would not try this on any kind of tempered bolts. These are grade 2, these are junk, just lag screws, so I really don't care. And I don't know how the rust prevention will do with that, so I don't know. Go at it at your own risk. I know this Maytag's gonna be sitting inside all its life and going to tractor shows, so I'm not gonna worry at all for it. So, but this is just looks only. I would not use this method for anything that really matters, like heads, like head-to-head bolts or anything like that, or manifold, anything that's gonna be getting real hot. And I don't know, just be smart about it.